Hi folks! So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the fringe on the short edges of the Petit point carpet. Last time I did the long edges, the selvage, and if you haven't seen that video yet, you might want to see that. So today we do the fringe. Yay! Let's get to it. Here we go. We have our carpet and I've done the edges, and now I'm going to do the fringe. Now, Bobby has the instructions here that came with the kit about fringing the rug, and she says you need the tiniest crochet hook you can find. I don't have one, so I'm just going to use one of the needles that she's given me in the kit, and then cut a piece of cardboard about 1.5 inches by 3, and using DMC ecru or number 822, wind the floss around the 1.5 inch side and cut one end so you know I have a bunch of 3-inch pieces of floss. So I have my 3-inch pieces, and then separate the 6-ply pieces into single plies. So I'm going to do that, and it's going to take a while. Okay, so I've done a few. I haven't done all of them yet, but you get the idea. All right, so it says hold the rug with the back towards you, fold each length of fringe in half, and hook the folded loop through a hole at the edge of the rug. Thread the 2 ends through the loop and pull them tight. And she has a picture here from the front, from the back, and you can see that you want the loop to pull tight so that it makes sort of a little row. It kind of reminds me of purl stitches in knitting, kind of along the front. Okay, so I have my needle, I have this folded in half. There we go. And I'm going through 2 rows of the canvas. There we go. I'm grabbing the ends and pulling it through. There we go. Just like that. Okay, so now I just have to do that a few hundred more times. There we go, and that's it. Oh, it looks like I'm missing one in there, but just keep going along, and that's how you do a fringe. Okay, so I've been going for a while, and at first I was putting them in each individual hole, and I'm finding that that's thicker than I want it to be. It's a little bunched up, so I've been taking out every other one so that it's like that, and I think that just looks a little neater. So I'm going to continue taking out every other one here and then putting them in every other one there. So just to take out every other one, I'm just going to grab that loop and pull that through just to kind of undo what I did. So I'm just going to keep doing that all the way along. Okay, so as I've been going along, I have discovered a bit of a Cadbury secret. You may have noticed it's a little difficult fishing the tails through the loop. And instead of threading the loop, I've discovered that if you thread the ends, that makes things easier. I'll show you why. So instead of going from the front, if you go from the back, and you still do the same going through, oh, I think I'm missing one. There we go. Go through the 2 rows. Pull the ends through, and then you still have them on the needle, and you can go right, oh my god, my hands shake so much, right through the loop. Oh my god. Okay, that didn't look easy, but it is. Let me try it again. Okay, skipping those 2, go through these 2, and then go through the loop. No, you drink too much coffee. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so that seems to work better. And I'm not going to show you as I go all the way along because it'll take a long time, but you get the idea. Thank you for watching the video today, guys. I hope you found it helpful. And I'd encourage you to like and subscribe and share and all that kind of good stuff if you enjoyed the video. And check out some of my other ones if you're interested. Have a great day and happy making. Bye.